Well, remember how I said we were getting another car here soon? Well, here it is. It is a 98 Sunfire. Coupe Sunfire GT. Has the power moonroof. But she's got rust. And also, aftermarket wheels on it. Only on 2 wheels because it came with 3 wheels, but we matched up the back to the front. I mean, we matched up both back ones, and the front ones are the original GTs. So, that's what we did. I think actually the aftermarket looks pretty good. It has tinted windows. Not very good tinted. A gray interior. It is cloth. Automatic transmission, power windows. It has the controls on the steering wheel for the radio, CD player. Rearview mirror's falling off, but whatever. And it looks like it has a body kit on the bottom too. That's you. Under there it's all rusty. I've got these stink pipes on for the portion of the video where I have it running because it's raining out. And for under the hood, it has a the 2.4 liter twin cam or dual overhead cam. That's the battery from that car because this one didn't come with the battery, unfortunately. So, can't really say much about this motor. I think it's about 140 horsepower. Don't know at what RPMs though. And that, so I'm not even gonna go there with this because I don't know the specs. If someone can tell me, thanks. So you got, actually these are decent tires I put on it too. In the trunk it's already been cleared out. It just has a spare tire and a cover in there. So I think now this will be the portion where I get the car running. It has a little bit of air conditioner condenser clutch rattle. So now inside features that work. Obviously power moonroof works. And automatic transmission. Locks work. Now, let's see how it sounds. Seems a little loud, but I guess I'll show you an exhaust shot now. Oh, well, this car's no fun. It has a 4,000 RPM rev limiter. So I guess we better turn it off now. Where is it? Shut off for this. Well, that's unfortunate. 4,000 RPM rev limiter. That makes it so boring. Well, anyway, on to the features inside that work now, too. I had to hurry up and get that done. nice sounding radio. Speakers are kind of not really that good anymore. Then, I don't know what else there is in here. It's just a Sunfire, but oh, let's see if these work. Yeah. Oh, that's a good song. Yeah, these controls work good. Why'd we get this car? Power mirrors. The rear view has the reading lamps underneath of it too, so that's pretty good. Then horn's good. This thing's decent. Some storage in there for your CDs. Cargo net in the passenger seat. Cup holders in the middle. I don't know why there's 3 seats back here. Can't really fit 3 people back there easily. Well, I guess that's all for this car, actually. So, like any time, any questions about it, drop them in the comments below and I'll answer it. And if anyone's wondering, I'm actually not sure what's happening with this car yet. It might be turned into a project, which I won't tell you about yet, but it also might be turned into something else. So, you never know. At this point, the brakes are, they're really bad. The tinting is a little bubbled, and it's a Sunfire, it's not anything special. So, might end up making it just another derby car, but we don't know yet. I'll be sure to tell you when we decide so stay tuned and have a nice day.